Sendiio 2.0 is the first and only autoresponder that allows you to profit from the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger under one central dashboard with zero monthly fees. For far too long, marketers have been debating if email marketing works best, or does text message marketing work best, or is it FB Messenger marketing? Truth is, they all work. They're all extremely profitable, and the fact is your target customers are using all three platforms. So why neglect one marketing channel over another? Why not instead use a platform that combines all three of these extremely profitable marketing channels under one central dashboard and blow the lid off of your profit? Well, Sendiio 2.0 allows you to do just that. It allows you to easily profit from email marketing, text message marketing, and FB Messenger. We've combined email, text, and FB Messenger under one dashboard and made it as simple, and you can do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Import your lists and create your campaign. Step 2. Send or schedule your campaigns. Step 3. Generate massive profits from the 3 most profitable marketing platforms. Sendiio 2.0 features: import unlimited email contacts without having to go through a verification process. Create and send unlimited email campaigns without ever paying a monthly fee. Create unlimited email lists and assign each list of imported emails to their own separate email list. Create unlimited opt-in forms to build your list even further. Follow-up sequence campaigns. Send unlimited emails without any monthly fees by simply connecting to your fully flexible scheduling system for your broadcasts. Fully flexible scheduling system for your follow-up sequences, campaigns, SMS follow-up sequences. Connect to any premium SMTP providers in minutes. View in-depth stats for all your email campaigns. Automatic removal of bounced emails for amazing list hygiene. Connect unlimited domain names. Create unlimited one-time broadcasts campaigns. Complete step-by-step training tutorials to set up your Sendiio 2.0 account in lightning speed. Import unlimited phone numbers within seconds. Create unlimited phone lists. Create unlimited opt-in forms to build your phone numbers list even further. Full click stats on your text campaigns. Complete step-by-step training tutorials to set up your text message campaigns in lightning speed. Easily connect unlimited fan pages in a matter of seconds. Capture unlimited Facebook Messenger subscribers. Easily create unlimited follow-up Facebook Messenger sequences. One-time Messenger broadcast messages. Easily skyrocket your profit by resending your email campaigns based on your subscribers' activity. Set up an automatic welcome message for every new Messenger subscriber. Set up unlimited keyword-based chatbot replies, comment replies. What Sendiio 2.0 can do for you? Easily skyrocket your profit through the power of email marketing. We all know how powerful and profitable email marketing is. You can easily import your list and start sending out your promotional emails within the next 10 minutes. Plus, you can use our simple form builder to start collecting new leads and put them through your follow-up sequencer. Start sending out one-time broadcasts. Easily skyrocket your profit through the power of text message marketing. With Sendiio 2.0, you can easily import phone numbers and start sending campaigns right away. Plus, you can also use the form builder to capture even more phone number subscribers. Easily tap into the fastest growing list marketing channel, FB Messenger. Sendiio 2.0 allows you to build a massive list of FB Messenger subscribers that you can start messaging and profiting from right away, and for a very limited time. We're including agency access to Sendiio 2.0 as well. This is easily valued at over $997 since you'll be able to offer 3 different services to your agency clients as well. You'll be able to supply your clients with email marketing services to their customer base, be able to run profitable text message campaigns for your clients, and dramatically increase their sales and subscribers with automated FB Messenger marketing. You can easily charge a separate fee for each service or bundle them up for a hefty recurring monthly profit and keep 100% of that profit.